Alright guys, we're going to take a look, a little preliminary look at the trail point hunter knife. So the first half, we want 2.5 inches. And then the latter part of this is going to be the deer horn. So we're looking at I'm going to cut this right in front of that tine. This is going to get buffed down. So it's going to be right about in there. And then this tang is probably going to have to be shortened a little bit. Still got to drill a hole and get all that worked out. But let's look at it from this side, because that's going to be, you know, let's see. Yeah, somewhere right in there. So I've got to heat treat the blade in the morning. I've been out here working on the getting all these parts ready. This high quality bronze material, I've got loads of this bronze material, bunch of it. And the story, the backstory on this bronze material, I bought this from a gentleman that used to live out here. He worked for an elevator engineer. They installed elevators in new buildings, and they would also service elevators in older buildings. But long story short, that's where I got the bronze material. This bronze material is off of out of a really nice hotel. Okay, and sorry for the noise. We had to jump on the mowing. It's actually been raining the last 3 days here, so I really didn't get to do anything until today. I got started back on this. But yeah, this is really high quality, beautiful bronze on this piece here and this piece. We got 80 CRB2 tool steel, and then you want your first 2.5 inches. We got two red spacers here, a white spacer in the center, our leather, stacked leather. We got bronze there. We of course our bronze guard, and then this is going to be, you know, the last 2.5 inches will be your handle. So it's moving right along. Just wanted to do another update video, and I would have most likely had this already done, but again, it was raining and storming here the last 3 days, so we just kind of got shut down. All right, so I just want to update the video. Appreciate you guys. And yeah, the trail point hunter is coming along. This thing's going to look sweet. It's going to be gorgeous. Of course, once I heat treat this and temper it, then we'll get it all shined and polished up, sharpened. I don't even need to sharpen it really at that point. We'll just get this back on here. We're going to secure the guard. Once this is all dried on there, I'll even leave this part's going to get attached. Then I just come with my grinder and just round that off. We're going to make sure we leave enough there for nice indexing, you know. But yeah, it's come along really nice. Just wanted to do this update for you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one.